Good morning sa inyong lahat. Today is our day 1, full day 1 dito sa Osaka. Kasi kahapon, mga 3 PM na kami nakarating. And it's rainy day. Ang lakas ng ulan kahapon. Kawawa nga yung mga bata Pero, nakakain sila sa Ichiran. Yung gustong-gusto nila. Kasi medyo konti lang yung pila because malakas nga yung ulan. Tapos, doon lang kami sa may kahabaan ng Shinsaibashi. So, para may cover yung ano. So, for today, parang uulan na naman. And then, meron silang tour sa Kyoto, Nara. Yung mga bata magtutour doon. Anyway, isang sasakyan lang naman sila. Hotel pick-up. Na nabuko din sa Klook. I-share ko na lang sa inyo yung link kung saan ko siya nakuha. Bali, 4,000 plus yung per head ang cost nun. Pero hotel pick-up na yon and drop-off para hindi sila mahirapan. Tapos kaming dalawa naman ni Labsi, since kami naman nakapag-tour na, hindi kami sasama sa kanila. Tatry namin magpunta ng Nagoya. So, yung sasakyan naman namin papuntang Nagoya is binuko rin sa Klook using Kintetsu Railways. Ito siya. So, ito yung voucher ko, digital voucher. Tapos, yung physical ticket, i-claim na lang namin sa Osaka Namba Station. This is for 5 days na. Unlimited use ng railways. So, maganda na, diba? Ito na yung gagamitin naming dalawa. Papunta ng Nagoya. Try natin mamaya kung makakapunta nga kami dun sa Nagoya. Kasi, sana mag-Shinkansen na lang kami. Pero nakita namin tong Kintetsu Railways na gagamitin mo. Maganda din siya. Para din siyang Shinkansen. Ewan ko lang yung hours niya. Parang 2 hours bago ka makarating ng Nagoya. And let's see na lang mamaya kung ano. And nagpe-pray na lang kami na sana maganda yung weather for today. So yun lang. We're happy na nakabalik uli kami dito sa Osaka. And the same hotel dito sa Holiday Inn. Kasi maganda rito. Very near and very accessible sa lahat. So yun lang guys. Balitaan kayo mamaya kung magiging successful ang pagpunta namin sa Nagoya. And see you later. Bye!
The teacher said past 5 days rush. This story.
5 days.
Can we use this when we are in Nagoya?
This name bus ticket.
Bus, okay.
The bus have to separate.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
My school day was lonely and so blue. Just watching you from shade of classroom, daydreaming about you and me, kissing the rain just like the movie. You're so cool, you quarter back on the tin. Girls get crazy, they can't stop the scream. Love you, but you don't know me at all. You're so cool, best quarterback in the state. The girls get crazy, they wanna be a date. Love you, but you don't know me at all. You don't know me at all. My teenage crush, lovely but so sad. I'm walking around my old schoolyard. A rainy day in September, I saw you were kissing with a cheerleader. You were kissing with a cheerleader. You're so cool, you're the quarterback of the team. The girls get crazy, they can't stop the scream. Love you, but you don't know me at all. You're so cool, best quarterback in the state. The girls get crazy, they wanna be a date. I love you, but you don't know me at all. You don't know me at all.
One eternity later.
So dito na tayo sa Nagoya Station. Tayo mag-exit. Okay, we made it, guys. We're here at Nagoya Station. I see. Ito, ano to? Okay, Nagoya Station. We will check the ticket again. This is Nagoya. It's raining.